You're drinking Sprite.
All the people that like watch this video, you know how you were saying that the soda challenge is like gonna get us views. All the people we just got views from just left. All the normal people.
Well, we're into the freaks, so we're just gonna chug a shot of this and burp. Dang, they're vaping. You see it? Wait. Mine was puff passing. Okay, we're gonna drink all this, so.
I'm scared.
Yeah, it burns.
Girl, already!
Breakfast is served. Watch my last mukbang. Always have to promote anytime.
The fucking daddy's girls you put on the school wall.
You saw it? I made sure to put it right.
Look at that glow that I have. Like.
Damn, I'm being too messy this time. They sound like farts.
I already feel like burping. Like, this does not feel good. This is so much. Like, I literally look. I feel like throwing up.
Please don't throw up. Because when you throw up, it makes me want to throw up. But you shouldn't want to throw up.
Adam is gonna love this video.
Oh my goodness. You like our fireplace? Add money. I tried to, but the snot just came out my nose, and I'm not gonna wipe it. I'm really not.
See this Caucasian living?
You see our gold table? Wait, hold on, I gotta push this. You wish.
Add money.
My pussy lives out.
Really, really?
Yes. I'm up here, you don't want to look.
Wait, no. But
you can't see it.
We're gonna get blocked. Yeah.
Okay. I didn't even move it.
I don't want to edit. Please don't.
You can't. You can't see it. I can feel it. I can feel my vagina on the block. Okay, I fixed it.
You're gonna get up and it's gonna be tie-dye. Oh wow, you have a marble fireplace. No, that's okay.
There's that one girl.
What are the rules to the soda challenge?
It sounds like an old man. I didn't like it.
Oh wow, this video is such a success already.
It's only been 4 minutes.
420.
I can.
We should change outfits for the next video.
That was not a burp.
Should we upload this one before Applebee's one?
Just keep the order going. That's what I would do. See, if we did this after we ate, I would probably like burp up some food.
Yeah, we're smart.
Lay it down for now. This is kind of ASMR because when we're not talking, you can hear the fireplace.
Hey guys, welcome to our video.
I think you should just point that out on the video. That'd be really funny. Oh. You think they would? Well,
Yeah, but they already know you're weird.
Oh, okay. And why are we whispering? Because the video is quiet.
Oh my god, that was so good. That was good.
Okay, a big one's gonna come. That's like some decibels. You need decibels for that shit. See how loud that was?
Taking shots.
Adam, if you're watching this, I don't even think he would have gotten that long into the video, honestly.
Where go with him?
I've never drinking this amount of like liquid in a day though.
Look at how white our teeth are. Isn't that sweaty?
Yeah. Caucasian living. Interesting.
This is sponsored by Crest Whitening.
There's that one curl that don't. I'm gonna hide it. Oh well. You know, I did these overnight. Like, put flexi rosin in. Like yesterday, how curly my hair was, that was because of that. That was the first. Yeah, that was the first night I put them in. And it's killing me. Like, my whole tummy is bubbling now.
I'm not having. This is not fun. If you like BDSM,
This does?
this is BDSM. Watching us torture.
That's what was in the way. That's what made me not
You're
feel
feeling
good.
better now?
Like, it's like that could be a superpower. Like you can hear how loud that was. Like just like powerful burps. You know that movement you do, like when to go like that. You know what I'm talking about? When you go like that.
Yeah.
What is that? Like, what are you doing? Are you like the burps right here, and then you go, and then it goes right there, and then you go. I don't know what that is. Yeah.
Art. I said art.
Oh, like, what do you call it? I don't know what that does. Oh my goodness, yeah, that was good. like a velociraptor or some type of animal. Emily got me this ring. I want to do it like, hey, she got me this. Like, you can't even see it in the camera.
We have friendship wings. Oh, mine's upside down. Mine's E.
Mine's backwards. You want to see what he texted me?
Yeah.
I didn't fucking save it. He put, man, I'm so high, what the fuck? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
so funny.
Did he use the correct amount of letters?
Yes, and he put like, it's like a different font. It was so funny. I sent it to him.
That glow. Glow. Get your glow like.
Are you gonna go?
Get that glow. I can't. Does she know? Does your sister know that we mukbang?
Yeah, she watched this.
Really?
Yeah. I'm working here. I'm in a business right now.
I know. I hear you.
We're in a business meeting. Don't.
You're not gonna burp?
Don't.
Wait, I have to set one to Adam. Just for you. And the middle of the party was walking. That is like bloated. Look at it. It's getting big. Actually, it doesn't even look big. It's like that water weight makes you like so much bigger. You said a wow? Thank you.
I said ow.
She said wow.
No, I said ow.
She said,
Wow.
fans
like
that don't
hiccups.
want to admit they're fans are the biggest fans.
Haters are my moodly.
I got a shirt that says "I love my haters" at the thrift store. It looks so ghetto. I was dying laughing. Oh, and I got another one. A shirt that says not tonight, ladies. I'm here to get drunk."
Wait, when do we want to end this video?
Now.
Okay.
Bye.
Hope you had fun watching.